Director Chief IVF Consultant jangka Janitva IVF Center Guwahati Assam ke Dr. Arpita Sarma minta kelawan kenang Shong ba Shillong ban aya khubor ke baha shiki shijur ki bamla satya ban yok khon na kada ko jing lingki ke Dr. Arpita Sharma kelapha ia kan ke khubor shiki shijur ki bam yok khon sho la bon snam hadim gladap ya tho Shong kurim kelap ban wan Children's Hospital ke jaga sumar ke ban hak Shong pok se Shillong ban ya Shillong komnu ban ajing sumar ki la daga jing bam yok khon ke na jing lingki jaga kin thai la ni na ushin rang nak benta ke jing tip ki bakham benya phila ban book ik appointment ki jong phi dak ba telephone how number khandai lai khandai san pra iwe not ar but pra nyo lai iwe khandai hinriu ar nyo iwe pra
Ka MLA ke Berang Susyajit Thmai ban mikmat ke Gambe Grey constituency ke Dr. Mehtab Chandi A Sangma ke badir ke kurim jong menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka pratarek unai lur arajar arpusan kalale isim bentah ke Sien ke Nyngkong yang Dorbar tauan ke badir ke sengis sedang jong Dorbar senrai Habai keren bagi nama patai kubur ke Dr. Mehtab kelong bagi ke kabu berkeburam ban mikmat ke constituency bat kum kadekot ke Bethamai jong yang Dorbar kendang pulih ke rukom peniat berkom terekam jong yang Dorbar kenang bakan lak banisim bentah syethem hak yang Dorbar kalapan pauru bagi jeng mikmat ki kentai hak ke kamsan pertai ke dunabha pat ke kermen scam bagi jeng don jongka hak yang Dorbar kenong ru ke jeng aimen siem ya kiwei pat ki kentai bandrong syaka kamsan pertai ban chupen kan mau ke Dr. Mehtab kelas ajit kum ke MLA hak election steng samoi na Gambe Grey ke belalong hu nai wieng ke senam arajar arpusau hadian bau MLA berem usaleng Sangma ule eno agakam MLA hadian bula job ya ke election MP syaka Lok Sabha Nagatura seat
feel about this first time attending the session?
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today. Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this August house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics. Well, this time I think I have a lot to learn, still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure.